In this lecture, you are going to learn 5 different types of tools to analyze your backlink profile. As I said in the previous lecture, negative SEO proof, do we need to fight against this negative SEO? Well, the answer is no for most cases. But what about the remaining few cases? Well, for the remaining few cases, you should worry about the bad link building by your competitor. So, how to find whether your competitor has done harm in any manner of negative SEO to your website? To find that, you need to inspect your backlink profile. There are several free and paid tools available to get your website's backlink profile. But now, let's see a few backlink profile checking tools such as Rank Signals, Majestic, Open Site Explorer, SEMrush, and OpenLink Profiler. First, let's start with ranksignals.com. Here I have searched for lensfire.blogspot.com, which was the first blog with which I started my blogging experience in 2010. Well, rank signals displays only the first 5 title and URL of referring page and also their anchor text and URL. But if you want to access more of your backlink profile, you need to sign up. Then why should we use rank signals? What's so special about this backlink checking tool? It displays the page rank of your domain, also the page rank of the linking domains too. Let's move on to the next backlink profile checking tool, the famous Open Site Explorer from Moz. Open Site Explorer has a small drawback. Whenever you search a subdomain, this tool will display the results partially for the domain name and partially for subdomain name. For example, I have checked for lensfire.blogspot.com, but the domain authority is given for blogspot.com. Only the page authority is given for lensfire.blogspot.com. Unlike other backlink checking tools, OpenSite Explorer detects only a few amount of the backlink for a given particular domain. That's the drawback of OpenSite Explorer. So let's move on to Majestic Site Explorer results. The main advantage of Majestic Site Explorer is that it not only gives the current backlinks or backlink profiles, it also gives you the historic backlinks. For instance, I dropped maintaining this blog in 2012, and during that time I was having around 5700 external backlinks, 404 domain that were referring to this blog, but now I have only 159 external backlinks. This is because I am not maintaining this blog. So in this manner, you can also check the previous history of any particular domain or subdomain name using Majestic Site Explorer. It also breaks down the proportion of follow and no follow links, redirects, text links, images, etc. You can also see the proportion of anchor text with which you are getting the backlinks. Another big advantage of this Majestic Site Explorer is that you can see each and every backlink without paying even a penny to Majestic Site Explorer. When I open this backlinks tab, you can see all of the backlinks that are referring to your domain. But beyond the 10 backlinks, you cannot see the backlinks domain, but you can see the trust flow, citation flow, link type, lost scene and informations from those domain name. If you want to access the URL of these domain names too, then you can sign up for a free account. Now we are in SEMrush backlink checking tool. The major distinction compared to Majestic Site Explorer to SEMrush is that apart from backlinks, SEMrush also displays you the estimated organic and paid traffic to your site. Also, it displays the top organic keywords, main organic competitors, and their positioning map. Now we have come to the last and the best backlink profile checking tool, OpenLink Profiler. Why I am mentioning this Open Link Profiler as the best backlink profile checking tool? It's because we can filter out the backlinks based on many criteria such as source URL, link text, date added, top level domains, unique domains, etc., which will be very useful when we analyze our backlink profile for negative SEO attack. In the next lecture, you will learn how to interpret the backlink profile generated by these tools.